Hey team, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update on the Terra 10k challenge, 7 days in, and this is where all the figures stand. So just took a few screenshots of where everything was at and just a quick update so you know what I've done to move the money around to try and compound our returns even further. I should add, if you're not familiar with the 10k challenge that I started last week, it's this video here where I'm going to try and invest $10,000 in the Terra ecosystem and compound it into $100,000 over the coming months. So give that a spin. I'll link it in the description and in the end tile at the end of this video. So after 10 days, we've turned about $10,000 into $11,900. So it's been a good week, up about 19%. If my maths is right there. And I just took a few screenshots of where everything stood. So this is where we were at in Anchor. I had borrowed $6,000 off my original $10,000, and that's what the collateral had grown to. So we'd borrowed up to 75% roughly before, and it's now down to 60% in terms of what our borrow capacity is at. So basically I borrowed some more, pushed it back up to 75%, and then bought some more Luna, converted it to B Luna, and then redeposited it into Anchor. So you can now see my collateral value has gone up another $1,400 odd pretty much. I then maxed out the borrowing capacity again to 75%. And then just borrowed UST against it and popped it into Earn. So we've now got $860 sitting in Earn, earning 19.5% interest. It's nice to have a little bit of dry powder in case Luna price dips. It's had a good run, but who knows? It could keep going higher. It might pull back. If it does pull back, I might redeploy some of this and buy some more Luna, provided I'm not close to being liquidated. So the other thing that I've done this week is I've popped into the Prism protocol a few times and smashed that activate amps button, which just boosts our returns that we get from being a staker and pledging our X Prism token into the amps vault. And you can see the yield we're now getting on our Y Luna, 55% on Y Luna. That's pretty handy, especially when the price of Luna is pumping. So I'll be back in another week's time with another update, and I'll fill you in on everything that I do in the next 7 days. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoy this content, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and maybe consider watching one of my other videos.